Hello friends, I am Rashmi Patel. Today we learn for class 9 in Sanskrit subject, chapter number 10, Dwararikasya Sevanistha. The doorkeeper's eligible to service. The doorkeeper's allegiance to service. This is a prose lesson. Okay. We start this lesson. I explain you difficult meaning and translation. First one. एकदा ढोरारिकः भव्यमूर्तिः तिं सन्यासिनम् अपश्यत. एकदा means once. Dorarika, doorkeeper. Apashyata means saw. Bhavyamuti, medicient. Sannyasi means sannyasi. Bhavyamuti means a magnificent form. Okay. Once the doorkeeper saw a medicine sannyasi with a magnificent form. Once the doorkeeper saw a medicine sannyasi with a magnificent form. तत तयोः एवं वार्तालापः अभवत्. तत then वार्तालाप means conversation. Then the conversation took place between them. I repeat the whole paragraph. Once the doorkeeper saw a magnificent sannyasi with a magnificent form. Then the conversation took place between them. Next, follow this conversation. Sannyasi कथम अस्मान सन्यासी न अपि तिरस्कार करोति. तिरस्कारोसि means hate. Sannyasi. Okay. The sannyasi said, how is it that you hate us, sannyasi also? How is it that you hate us, sannyasi? Dorarikah, भगवन् प्रणमामि, परन्तु स्वकीयं परिचयम् अदत्वा न कश्चित् प्रवेशितुम् अर्हति. Dorarik said, means doorkeeper said, bow down to sir, bow down to God, bow down to sir, venerable sir. Parantu, but Swakyam Paricham, without identify. Okay. Without unidentify. But no one can enter. Pravesantu, enter without revealing his own identity. Identify. Sannyasi, Satyam, Shantoh ayam te अपराधः किंतु अध प्रभुति त्वं सन्यासिनः पंडितान् ब्रह्मचारिणः स्त्रियः बालाः च न अवरोधुं शक्नोषि. Sannyasi said, Satyam, true. Santam ha ayam te aprada means forgiven, fault. Aprada means fault. Santam means forgiven. This fault of yours is forgiven. This fault of yours is forgiven. Kintu, but other property, but today's you cannot stop. Avrodha means stop. Saknosi, you can. Saknosi means can. You cannot stop sannyasis. Panditano means scholars. Brahmacharya means celebrates. CELIBATES celebrates. Bala means children. and Striya means women. I repeat the whole paragraph. True, this fault of yours is forgiven, but from today you cannot stop sannyasi, scholars, celibates, women, and children. Dorarikah Sannyasi Bhauktam Viram Vayam Dorarikah Brahmanam api agnam na pratikshamahe. O sannyasi, doorkeeper said, O sannyasi, too much has been said by you. O sannyasi, too much has been said by you. Viram, stop. Vayam, we. Dorarika means doorkeeper. We, doorkeeper. Na pratikshamahe. Pratikshamahe means wait. Brahmana, Lord Brahma's. Agna means order. We, the doorkeepers, do not wait for even Lord Brahma's orders. I repeat, we, the doorkeepers, do not wait for even Lord Brahma's orders. Apostrophe S, don't mean Brahma's, maybe apostrophe S, orders, maybe apostrophe S. I repeat the whole paragraph. O sannyasi, too much has been said by you. Stop. We, the doorkeepers, do not wait for even Lord Brahma's orders. Sannyasiha Sadhu Margam Adesayam Maharaj Nikatem Gantum Ichhami. Sannyasi said, Sadhu, good. Sadhu, good. Margam Adesayam. Show me the way. Adesayam, show me the way. Maharaja Nikate Gatum Ichhami. I wish. Ichhami, wish. I wish to go. Gantu, go. I wish to go near his majesty, the king. I repeat, fine, show me the way. I wish to go near his majesty. Dorarikah न शक्यं प्रभाते महाराजस्य सन्ध्योपासना काले प्रवेशं कर्तुम् अर्हसि न तु रात्रौ. Doorkeeper said, न शक्यं. शक्य means possible, न means not possible. Prabhate means morning. Maharaja's majesty. Sandhya Upasana Kale means prayer time. Pravesham, enter. You can enter in the morning, which is it is Majesty's time for prayer. I repeat, you can enter in the morning, which is it is Majesty's time for prayer. Not to ratro, but not at night. But not at night. I repeat the whole passage. Not possible. You can enter in the morning, which is it is Majesty's time for prayer, but not at night. Sannyasis said, Kima kodapi ratro na praveshati. Sannyasi said that nobody goes in at night, question mark. That nobody goes in at night. Doorkeeper said, doorkeeper means dorarikah ahutan परिचितान् च परित्यज्य न कोऽपि विशेषं तु भवादसः ये खलु तुम्बिधारकाः द्वारं ब्रह्मति. Parichitana, invited people, means non-people. Paritajya, परिचितानां च परित्यज्य means expected those who are invited and those who are non familiar. तुम्बिधारक, तुम्बिधा कैरिंग अ सॉर्ट ऑफ गॉड. आपने देखा होगा जो सैफरन क्लॉथ में, जो ऑरेंज क्लॉथ में जो साधु आटे, शीर्ष आटे, उसके हाथ में आपने एक मेटल की चीज़ देखी होगी, एक बाउल जैसा, उसे कहते हैं तुम्बिधारक मीन्स गॉड कैरिंग अ सॉर्ट गॉड. द्वारा मीन्स फ्रॉम डोर टू डोर. विशेषण मीन्स एस्पेशली. Ahatano means expect. Bravadasa means like you. Nobody expect those who are invited and who are non. Ahatam parichatam cha paritajana kodapi means nobody accept those who are invited and who are non. Visheshastu especially. ब्रवादसः ये खलु तुम्बिधारक द्वारम ब्रह्मति. Person like you who indeed carrying a god and go for door to door. I repeat the whole passage. Nobody accept those who are invited and who are non, especially persons like you who indeed carrying a god and go for door to door. Sannyasi स्वागत. सर्वार्थ सुयोग्यः अयं दौरारिकः. पुनः इयं परीक्षतु प्रयतिष्ये. प्रकाशं दौरारिक अत्र आगच्छ. किमपि कथयितुम् इच्छामि. Swagatam means to him. Sannyasi said Swagatam to himself, this doorkeeper is the most suitable by all means. Suyogya, suitable, most sarvatas, most suitable by all means. This doorkeeper is the most suitable by all means. Punaha im parikshitum prayatised. I shall again try to taste this man. I shall again try to taste this man. Prakasam loud. Dwarika atra agachatam. The doorkeeper, come here. Kimapi kathayitum ichhami. I wish to tell you something. I wish to tell you something. Kathayitu means tell. Kimap ichhami means wish. I repeat whole passage. To himself. Swagatam means himself. This doorkeeper is the most suitable by all means. I shall again try to taste this man. Aloud. Doorkeeper, come here. I wish to tell you something. Here our list. Stop this lesson. We continue this lesson in previous video. Thank you for watching this video.